Hey guys, so my pool pump um, gave up, and I noticed that my water wasn't running anymore, and the pump was dead. I mean, power. I tested with a multimeter, and the power was getting to it. And this is a Pentair Intelliflo 2 VST. Okay, it's a really good pump. So I took the top module off, the actual brain from the pump, and I already opened it up. And here's what I noticed. So this is something gave up, and the problem is that I don't know if you can see this board. It's actually trenched in epoxy, so you can't just unscrew it and remove it. Right, so I'm gonna attempt fixing this, and I feel very confident. So I think what I'm gonna do is it looks like there's some big stuff like transformers and capacitors are trenched in there, and I don't know why would they do that, other than prevent people getting in there. So what I'm gonna try is I'm gonna desolder this 1, 2, 3 components and try to remove this whole thing. See if I need to do anything on the other side. It looks like I might be just there's something there, and I think it's anyway. Let's just remove this PCB and see if we can do anything about it. If not, I'm gonna have to buy a new one and just replace it. I haven't even looked at how much they are. At this point, the pump hasn't ran for like two days now. So we're gonna try to fix this today and see if we can run the pump overnight so we can make some chlorine. Without further ado, let's go and see if we can take it apart and fix this. I just finished desoldering. Let's take a look at this. I haven't even looked at it yet. Yeah, I made a mess, but that's okay. Oof. Honestly, I think. Ooh, I know. One needs to go here. I think it's the. Oh. That is the that's the contact for the one of the phases. Wow. I see. It needs to be like just like this, but here. I think where it happened is corrosion. And pour contacts and heat it up, and that's what we have here. Let me go grab the cover, and I just want to make sure that this is what I think it is. Here's the cover, and this two phases, that's 220, right? I could have just flipped this over and it would have told me what exactly burned. So somehow I need to figure out how I can make this go like that and actually make contact I can't find this piece anywhere, so nor can I use it anywhere anyway. Anyhow, so I think I'm gonna have to modify this and now solder the whole wire here, right here, and take this out, drill a hole, snake the wire through. Let's say number 10, strand it, and we'll go from there. Honestly, I didn't even need to desolder this because it's terminated on this side right here. This is unfortunate. What's interesting is that okay, yeah, that's I think it's like very poor design. You were talking about like 15 amps at least. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna have to carefully drill through here and clean this up, put a lot of solder, and put a wire through here. I'm gonna unscrew this right here, and I think what I'll end up doing is just using 2 wires, leg 1, leg 2, and use the twisty things. I don't feel like buying $3,000 pump just because of a little melted part or piece. It looks like it is weather sealed, so it should be fine. I mean, I can put some silicone on there if I really need to, but I think we can't use this anymore. I'm just gonna drill it right here. I'm gonna go to the garage and drill it, so we'll be right back. Here's what we're gonna do here. There's not much I can do. Can I scrape this off? Okay. Oof. Look at this bad boy right here. It's melted down. That's good, I think. And I think we just fixed it. Now I just need to solder this back. But before I do that, I need to make sure that my cover will go on. Now I'm just gonna solder this whole thing back and the whole. It will be on the way. So I got my twisty nuts on there. You know, the shade. I haven't tested it yet, so if it catches fire, I'm gonna upload this video anyway. So I'm just gonna. Sorry, this whole thing is a mess. I know. I haven't had time to clean it up, but either way, let's try this out. If it works, it's awesome. It's not, then oh well. We're gonna put the timeout for now. Let's see. Oh, lights up. That's a good sign. Let's see. That doesn't sound good. That doesn't sound good. It looks like it's pumping. I don't know why it doesn't sound good. But bottom line is, let's see, it has something, okay? I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna open up and clear it out and see if I can find anything. Alright. And that's how you save thousands of dollars. By doing stuff yourself. I figured out what that noise was. Is that when I was working on this thing, I moved this shield in the back. I thought something was stuck in the impeller, but I guess not. Well, finally got this thing running. I'm going to leave it running overnight. Pump is running, and we got it all fixed. And I didn't have to buy a new pump. So yeah, that's how you save thousands. At this point, I'm just gonna close all this up, and this concludes this video. Thank you for watching.